Hello, I'm Cotlin Harrington, and in this presentation I'm going to share with you how the education technology company Desire to Learn, or D2L, has incorporated adaptive learning into their technology. Before we get into D2L's innovations, I'm going to share a little about what adaptive learning is. Adaptive learning is an education method where each student receives a customized learning experience to suit their personal learning style. In the traditional classroom environment pictured here of one teacher to many students, it is nearly impossible for lessons to be adapted to each learner's needs. Because of this, adaptive learning typically takes place in an online learning environment. Algorithms are used to help the software adapt to the learner based on information provided by the learner or benchmarks programmed into the system. Now that we know a little about adaptive learning, let's look at the way D2L is using adaptive learning in innovative ways. In 2013, D2L acquired Knowledge, the creator of the adaptive learning technology LEAP. D2L integrated LEAP into their learning management system Brightspace to create the adaptive electronic courseware tool Brightspace LEAP. When instructors use Brightspace LEAP, they can design new adaptive courses or add adaptive elements into existing courses. Instructors can set the objectives, and then Brightspace LEAP uses self-assessments, time to complete exercises, and performance evaluations to create a custom experience for each student. Based on the factors described, Brightspace LEAP may allow students to skip content or integrate resequencing of content until mastery is achieved. In the classroom, Brightspace LEAP could be used in both in-person or online learning environments. To ensure mastery of content, instructors could assign quizzes or activities to assess student learning and reinforce any concepts that students may need extra time with. Instead of the traditional curriculum, instructors create learning paths for students and let the Brightspace LEAP technology guide students at the appropriate pace to reach their desired learning outcomes. You can learn more about D2L and Brightspace LEAP by visiting their website here. Thanks. Bye.